The BrightLine display. To build the BrightLine frame, lay out the bottom sections first, with the power ports on the bottom left when facing the display. Connect the bottom pieces, matching the symbols and locking them firmly. Repeat this process to build the side sections and connect the center poles. Leave the top section off for now. If you're using a monitor mount, install the mount bar now, before attaching the top frame section. Refer to the instructions or our BrightLine monitor mount video for details. If you're not using a monitor, go ahead and attach the top section to finish the frame. Now that the frame is completely together, plug the power cables into the ports on the bottom left of the frame. Connect the power supply to the power drop and confirm the lights turn on. If any lights don't come on, double-check that all frame symbols match and the connections are fully secure. To install the graphic, start at opposite corners and slide the graphic edging into the frame channel. Secure all 4 corners first, then work toward the center. The fit is tight to remove wrinkles and keep the graphic crisp. Once the front is complete, install the back graphic or backer, using a drop cloth to keep the front graphic clean. Once the graphics are installed, stand up your display, then rotate and adjust the feet on the bottom. The feet can move along the bottom channel for ideal placement. Using multiple panels, ensure that the power cables are neatly tucked into the frame channel before sliding the displays together. Next, you will need to remove the frame plugs located near the midpoint of the top and bottom frame sections. To remove these plugs, gently loosen the back graphic along the vertical channel at the midway points. Once the plugs are removed, install the 180-degree thumb screws through the aligned frame openings and tighten them from the opposite side. After the frames are connected, reinstall the graphic sections. Finally, straighten the panels and attach the outer feet to complete the installation. Congratulations, your BrightLine display assembly is complete. For help or details regarding any accessory items, please see our other BrightLine content.